This is Dean Cambridge School System. I'm Hadi Jilani. Today we are going to learn maths, and it's our lecture number 11. And in this lecture we are going to learn the number 8. We are going to learn the number 8. We have to trace the number 8 in this way, and we have to learn also the spells of number 8. And these spells are E, I, G, H, T. 8. These are the spells of 8. Look at this picture, students. How many birds are there? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 birds are there. So we will say 8 birds. Okay, students? Practice the number 8 and also the previous numbers. Okay? You have also to learn the spells of these numbers. We will meet with our next lecture. Allah Hafiz.